What's going on, fellas? Vegas bound?
How's it going, buddy?
Good, buddy. How are you?
Well, not too bad.
What up? We're an hour ahead of schedule.
Hey, there's the man. Good, eh? Glad you made it, buddy. Guess what? What? I beat them to it.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah,
I was flying the plane, so.
My Boeing 737 was tuned by Dieselr, so that's how I got here quicker.
First time in Vegas?
I've been here 19 times before. 19 times. In 2 months. Thank you.
Good day. Thank you very much.
Hey, Corey, what's our first stop here in Vegas?
In-N-Out.
In-N-Out, buddy.
How's the burger, Jamie?
Las Vegas.
How's yours, buddy?
Muy caliente.
I want one of you guys to
Eat the pickle?
oh, pickle.
Dude, I can handle anything, but it's actually hot. Like, do they have a waiver?
I don't know. Try one.
I'm good. Dos, uno, vámonos.
Oh. Yeah, they're hot, bro.
It's not that bad.
Viva!
Very good.
We're homeless as of right now.
At least I think it's fun.
Yeah, this is it.
What's going on, Lou?
You have been here yet?
Neil? Connor?
What's up?
Landon?
Oh, it's fucking cold.
It's officially SEMA 2023, so let's get into it.
World's first come and swap Lambo. Turn them and burn them. Let's do it. Hey. orientation. Some of the guys are about to jump in these cars, do a couple hot laps around the track. Taking the moped.
Feel ready. Good to go.
We're about ready to film Neil taking the Porsche. Here we go.
Kicking ass and taking names. Ask my instructor.
It was awesome. It was awesome. He was beating up on like Lambos and stuff in our little Cayman.
100 horsepower less than every other car here, pretty much.
Yeah, and he was still just passing them and passing them.
Good instructor over here.
If you're driving it well, then you can hang with the big boys.
5.2 supercharged, 760 horse. This is actually the most horsepower car here. The GT500's got a lot more power, it's a lot faster, but the Cayman handles way better. So a lot of corners, a lot of handling. Cayman obviously would kind of come up there, but I think the Ford is still going to take the Cayman. Like, it's just got so much power, right?
Sounds better too.
It does sound real good, doesn't it? Active exhaust, so I mean, you can set it quieter. I think it's like wide open like this, but that's a fun car. And lots of room for a big guy like me, so it's really good.